Welcome, fam. You ever wake up and feel like your body isn't synced with your mind? Your limbs are moving, but your rhythm is missing? This isn't just stiffness, it's disconnection. Let's bring your body and mind back into sync. Let's hit the mat. Start slow, standing tall. Begin kicking your heels towards your glutes. Light rhythm, arms relaxed. This movement rewires your nervous system, especially when your body feels sluggish. It's not about speed, it's about control. I promise, just 60 seconds of pot kicks activates your hamstrings, opens the quads, and wakes up the blood flow, especially in cold, stiff mornings. Beginners, slow march with a focused heel lift. Advanced stretches, add a bounce, staying light on your feet. Did you know that activating your posterior chain first in the morning can improve cognitive focus for the next 2 to 4 hours? You feel that rhythm kicking in? 5 more seconds. Now let's shift that rhythm sideways. Step wide to the right, tap your left foot in, step wide to the left, tap again. Add a gentle swing with your arms as you go. This is where coordination starts to build, step by step. I promise, lateral movement like this strengthens stabilizer muscles, resets balance, and gets you out of the robot mode that desk life builds. Beginners, keep feet grounded, small steps. Advanced stretches, add mini squats and lean into the motion. Let's add a little challenge. For the next 10 seconds, exaggerate your range, make it feel like a rhythm, not a chore. Feeling that yet? If not, drop your center of gravity a bit more. Now let's make it circular. Feet hip width apart, hands on hips, start circling your waist, big, slow rotations. 30 seconds counterclockwise. This isn't just a fun move. This is serious spine and hip communication. I promise you, this move mobilizes the lumbar spine, stimulates digestion, and gently recenters your weight through the pelvis. Beginners, smaller, slower circles. Advanced stretches, close your eyes, make it meditative. Here's a twist. Most people only rotate comfortably in one direction. Which one feels off for you? That's where your imbalance lives. Hold this last rotation for 5 more seconds. That just unlocked your hips. Now let's fire them up. Step your right foot forward, drop into a deep lunge, press back, repeat for 30 seconds, then switch sides. Alternate and keep going for a full minute. This is about rhythm and control. Keep your chest tall, breath steady, hips open. I promise, lunges don't just open the hips. They wake up your glutes, challenge your balance, and prepare you for movement with intention. Beginners, hands on hips, shorter range. Advanced stretches, add an arm reach overhead for total body integration. Let's play a little game. Can you keep perfect form? Back knee hovering just above the ground for the last few reps? Ask yourself, am I leading with power or wobble? Now we bring it home with control. Stand tall, with your hands behind your head. Now crunch, bringing your torso toward your waist. Keep the rhythm steady. This is where breath meets motion. It's a coordination reset, and your brain loves it. I promise, this fires up your core, improves body coordination, and ties together everything you just activated. Beginners, lower knees and slow pace. Advanced stretches, add a twist, tapping opposite elbow to knee. Here's your final challenge. Can you keep your core engaged, spine tall, and rhythm consistent for these last 20 seconds? This isn't just movement, it's a declaration. My body is awake, my mind is focused, my rhythm is mine. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily straight flows that help you reconnect to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A faith-fueled nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. All delivered daily to your email inbox, and it's completely free to start. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to begin your free 3-day reset now. Then, when you're ready, if those 3 days wake something up in you, if your body starts to feel aligned, your mornings calmer, your breath steadier, you'll have the option to keep going with a full 30-day reset rhythm experience. Same rhythm, deeper reset. Weekly themes with daily scripture, stretches, journaling, daily support, and most importantly, God at the center of it all. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts us into the kingdom.